Hi, my name is Dan, and this is NIVELCO Basics. Today we're discussing various level and temperature transmitters. NIVOPRESS D hydrostatic level and pressure transmitters operate in two-wire systems and convert relative and absolute pressure into 4 to 20 milliamp signals. The piezoresistive sensor measures the hydrostatic pressure and compensates for the atmospheric pressure. In homogeneous liquids, the hydrostatic pressure is measured at the bottom of the tank. It's proportional to the height of the liquid column. Devices used for gases must be mounted at the highest point of the tank. The Neverpress product family can also be used in food applications. The devices are available with a threaded, tri-clamp, or DIN11581 process connection. Due to the capillary, the ingress protection of the device is rated IP65. The loop current can be measured with a multimeter on the terminal block. The oil and gas industry uses the Neverpress in storage tanks. These devices can be used even if the tanks have built-in stirring blades. The devices can be used for measuring gases, fumes, liquids, slurries and masses, viscous and corrosive materials, foods and liquids even if they are covered in foam. The product family includes ATEX certified variants. These devices operate at atmospheric pressure, and they must be mounted at the bottom of the tank. They're highly accurate, and they can withstand process pressures up to 400 bar. Abrasion caused by moving particles in liquids may decrease the life expectancy of the Neverpress D's diaphragm. Therefore, the medium must not contain particulate contamination. On the other hand, NIVOPRESS N hydrostatic level transmitters are designed to measure the level of clean and contaminated liquids. The pressure sensor at the bottom of the probe measures the sum of the atmospheric pressure and the hydrostatic pressure of the liquid column. The atmospheric pressure is channeled to the sensor through a breathing capillary equipped with a moisture filter that prevents moisture from damaging the electronics. The atmospheric pressure is subtracted from the overall measured pressure to get the hydrostatic pressure, which is proportional to the height of the liquid column. Then the sensor signal is converted into an output signal. The device is also available with a plastic cover. The version with a threaded process connection was primarily designed for a threaded sewage adapter. A temperature transmitter and a PT100 temperature sensor can be optionally integrated into the probe housing. The measuring range of HART-compatible devices can be adjusted between 2 and 130%. A wide range of accessories is available for Neverpress transmitters. They are most common in water and wastewater treatment, for example wells and baths, but they can also be found in the chemical industry. They can also be used in small diameter drilled wells. If there's a strong current in the medium, using a scaffold tube is recommended. The Aniva flip is a bypass level indicator for pressurized liquid containers with a flange distance up to 18 feet. The device is PED approved, so it can withstand up to 100 bar pressure. The NIVOFlip can be equipped with optional limit switches or NIVELCO's NIVOTRAC high-precision magnetostrictive level transmitters if digital communication is necessary. High-temperature versions can withstand up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. The magnetic float in the bypass tube tracks the level of the liquid, and the two-tone flaps change their color as the float passes and flips them. The bypass tube and the float are made of stainless steel, but a titanium float is also available for liquids of lower density. The NIVOFlip is EX certified, and it is NIVELCO's only level measuring device that doesn't require a power supply. The typical application areas are the chemical industry, water processing, power and heat generation, and the oil and gas industry. The suggested applications are lower medium pressure storage tanks, process tanks, hydrocarbons and separators, and boilers. The medium must be homogeneous. The device is easy to install, it is maintenance-free, and it can be equipped with a highly accurate level transmitter. Thermopoint 2-wire temperature transmitters are suitable for continuous multi-point temperature measurement of ordinary and hazardous liquids, powders, and granular solids. The temperature of grains and feed stored in silos has to be monitored to maintain their quality. Monitoring the total volume of the silo must provide information on accidental quality loss or the presence of germs or fungus. The 2-wire loop-operated transmitter head can communicate through HART with a multi-con process controller or a PC for data processing and logging. A notable advantage of multi-con-based systems is that if level measurement is required, the system can be extended with a level transmitter, and that multiple transmitters can be added to the loop using the existing HART communication. The maximum number of integrated temperature sensors is 30. Their location can be determined by the user, although design rules must be considered. The maximum probe length is 164 feet. A solid-state temperature transmitter module is integrated into the measuring probe, so the system is not made of PT100 elements. The 4 to 20 mA output can be set to be proportional to the measured value of a single sensor, the average of the measured values of all sensors, or the highest measured value. The Thermopoint transmitter family was developed specifically for grain silos, but they have also been used successfully in coolant tanks for air conditioning systems. The suggested mediums are liquids like water, oils, hydrocarbons, and other chemicals, or small to medium-sized granular solids. The device must be protected from direct sunlight. NIVELCO's Nivision visualization software is capable of displaying the measurements of complex systems consisting of a large number of temperature transmitters. Thermopoint devices are easy to install, with only marginal wiring costs, and they can transmit vast amounts of data over long distances. Thank you for watching. The presentation was compiled by Laszlo Csomor, and we hope it will help you find the right device.